Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can bold your text on Instagram. Alright, you can't do it on Instagram. We're gonna be using a website to do it. Alright, you don't have to download any app. If you guys have a browser, then you're good to go. So before moving on, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. Let's move on. So if you click on plus button on your Instagram, once you click on the plus button on your Instagram, it's going to show you this. From over here you can choose any random photo you want. So let's say I want to choose this photo. I click on next. All right, once I click on next over here, I click on next again. All right, so during the time I'm adding a text over here, as you guys can see, my text is not bold. So if I want to make this text bold, what I can do is copy the text over here. Once you copy it, what you want to do is don't close your Instagram, make sure it's running on the background. All right, and go to your browser, and on your browser you want to search this bold text maker. Once you search for bold text maker, the first one which says lingojam.com, you want to click on it, and over here at the top you want to paste the text which you just copied. All right, and at the bottom it's gonna convert the text into bold. As you guys can see, there's different kind of bold over here. You can choose whichever type of bold you want. All right, so let's say I like the first one over here, which is serif. What I can do is copy it. So I'm just gonna copy it real quick over here like this. Once you copy it, you can go back to Instagram and then delete the text which you currently have and paste the text which you just copied. As you guys can see, the text is in bold now. I can click on OK at the top and click on share, and this post is going to be shared with a bold text written on the bottom. So wait for some time, I'm going to show you. As you guys can see, VMZM is in bold at the bottom. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can bold the text on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.